Hymn to Lucifer by Aleister Crowley. Where nor of good nor ill, what aim hath act, without its climax death, what saviour hath life, an impeccable machine exact, he paces an inane and pointless path, to glut brute appetites, his soul content. How tedious were he fit to comprehend himself more this our noble element, a fire in nature, love in spirit, unkenned. Life hath no spring, no axle, and no end. His body a bloody ruby radiant, with noble passion, sun-souled Lucifer, swept through the dawn colossal, swift aslant on Eden's imbecile perimeter. He blessed non-entity with every curse, and spiced with sorrow the dull soul of sense, breathed life into the sterile universe, with love and knowledge drove out innocence. The key of joy is disobedience. So many of these New Age cults talk about seeking one's joy, are justifying things based on joy. And evil is the boundaries. And it's important to understand life as something not confined to this body. That the Luciferian principle is the inner fire brought out. To be content with what you indulge in. And to bring things towards goals. To indicate to something beyond oneself. And if one has to look at biblical myths and say that, reaction to it exposes a different sense than what it says. And it brings out a sort of blessing and variety and ability to do more than just as directed. One understands why the reference.